In this video, I will show you how to edit images in OpenArt. So to do this, go and open up OpenArt and go to Image in the left tab. From here, instead of Create Image, just go back here to all of the image tools and select Edit Image. Now here, if you've already created the image, you can just select it. If you have it in your camera roll, just upload the image. And after doing that, what you can then do is choose how you want to edit it. You can describe it, you can do an area edit where you can draw where you want to make changes, or you can visually describe it by doing arrows, text, etc. For example, if I do area edit and I highlight this section right here, and I say remove the for beginners section, it will then do that. Now you can also attach an image. For example, if I want to replace the logo, I can say replace this logo with the attached image. But from there, just click generate. And now as you can see, it has been removed. So now you know how to edit an image in OpenArt. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.